Hi Charlene.
Hi.
What brought you to Manna House?
Well, my mum had spoken about Manna House before, and one of my friends came on the Restore program last year. And then when I read about it myself, I thought I need to go here to understand about my own body and see what I can put in place to better my health and my life, and for my husband and for my children as well. What surprised me the most was what's going on inside my body from the body chemistry and the consultation. That surprised me the most. And then learning on top of that all the different things that I can do to better my health each and every day. I knew that I'd get lots of information, but the way that it was presented helped me to understand and to enjoy the learning. Yeah, drinking all that water was challenging for me. And I suppose just seeing the habits that I've built up and thinking about when I'm going home, how I'm going to not jump back on that bandwagon of those habits that I used to have. But in the last few days, I haven't even thought about those type of foods that I've always thinking, oh, I want to eat this, I want to eat that. I literally just haven't thought about them.
So what has this experience done for you?
It's made me stop and think. So especially that the little post sign that you gave us with the stop on it, that is in my head. Like, I see that in my head and I think to myself, okay, really, am I actually hungry? Or do I just want to eat because that's what I'm used to doing? Especially in terms of my emotions.